What up, guys? We're at it again. Let's see what they have in store for us today. As you can see, it's pretty dry on the main lines. Usual suspects on the 5-packs. We've seen these premiums before. Race day, already picked them up. They only left this Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA for the Fast and Furious. We have some pop culture cars here. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Rick and Morty, Knight Rider. And once again, the usual suspects on the 2-packs. We've seen all of these guys before. 143, same thing. We've seen them before. Let's see here. We have 5-packs. Matchbox. Yeah, it's already been picked through, but looks like they stocked up on the Matchbox collectors. Let's see here, the 1969 Triumph TR6. Oh, nice. Check this one out, guys. 2012 Lexus LFA. This thing is freaking sweet, man. Definitely gonna take this one. Oh, nice. 1988 Chevy Monte Carlo LS. Check this out, guys. So there's that. Oh man, another beauty. Here's a 2016 Chevy Camaro with the Edelbrock livery and deco. Sweet. Definitely going to pick that one up. There's another one. There's another 2012 Lexus LFA. Moving parts. Let's see what they got. 1980 Mercedes-Benz 450 SEL. Here's the 1961 Jeep FC. 2020 Nissan Leaf. Here's a 1950 Chevy Suburban. Jeep Gladiator. There's a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Nissan Leaf. Check out this 2022 Lexus LX. Very nice. Oh, nice. Take a look at this one, guys. 2023 Nissan Z. This thing is super, super sweet. What a day, guys. Here's the Toyota FJ Cruiser. Sweet. Up here we have the 1983 Buick Riviera. Very cool. Nice. For the Tesla Model 3. Very nice. And what do we have up here? The Citroen EC40X. And up here we have another Lexus LX. So there is that. NASCAR. Let's see if we get lucky here. Nope. And let's take a quick look through to see what else we could find here. Nothing of interest, guys. We've seen all of this before. Lots of nice stuff, but nothing that we care for. All right, guys, so I'm going to put this stuff back and I'm going to give you a quick recap of what I'm going to take, okay? All right, guys, so just to recap, we're taking the Toyota FJ Cruiser. We're taking this Awesome Blossom 2023 Nissan Z. The 2022 Lexus LX. Taking the 1988 Chevy Monte Carlo LS, the 2012 Lexus LFA. This thing is a beauty, man. And last but not least, we're taking the 2016 Chevy Camaro with the Edelbrock livery and deco. And that is it for here, guys. Catch you in the next store. What's up, guys? Let's see what we can find today. Looks like they have some old stock again. I don't know what's up with these shipments, man. I mean, they get some new stuff and they go back to some old stuff. It's been really, really weird. But anyways, there's nothing we can do. Here's the cool 88 Honda CRX. Can't go wrong with those. Mercedes. Got a couple of those. Don't need any more. And Porsche Panamera, Monster Repo, 1971 Porsche 911 with a Magnus Walker deco. Oops. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So put you guys back up here. Well, this one has a busted peg hanger. So another one. Let's see here. This one's pretty cool, but I already picked up a couple of those. Don't need any more. The 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Already have a few of those. Take this one. Let's see what they have here. Nothing. Check this out, guys. Oh, nice. I only found this. Didn't think I was gonna find it. This is the most popular one, or at least in my opinion, one of the most popular ones in the set. This is the Datsun 620 with a multiple decals and deco. Pretty cool. Still wouldn't mind finding that truck though. And the hauling gas is not bad, but it's not my thing. So let's see what else we could find here. Nada, man. Zeros. Yeah, nothing, guys. Well, at least I got the Datsun 620 that I've been looking for quite some time. So let's move on to the next store, guys. What's up, guys? Check this out. Looks like they put out a fresh batch of Hot Wheels. So let's start digging. First up, the 62 Vet. What's cracking, guys? Let's see what they have in store for us today. We have the Mustang NHRA funny car. I've seen this one before. Working with end case, passing gasser, and just by taking a quick glance at all of these guys, looks like there's a bunch of repeats. So I'm not going to waste too much time on this. Here's this 1957 Jeep FC. This is new for 2023. Not bad, but not my thing. Here's the HW Papa Willie. And yeah, I'm not going to take any of these. Let's see what they have on the Apex. It's a cool little Supra there. Decent cars on these, but I do have most of these. Let's see, take a look at this one. That is it. Put these back. Let's go down the lane. Nada. High and dry on the premiums, with the exception of these. Color shifters. Nothing, you guys. Take a look at these guys. These are new. This is a pretty cool set. You get the 2009 Chevy Corvette Z06 GT1, 1992 Chevy Camaro Z28, the 2013 Indy car, and the 2023 Chevy Camaro funny car. It's pretty cool. The only thing is they come with plastic wheels. So it looks like pretty much the same cars, it's just different color variations. See? To be honest with you, I like this one better. They're both pretty cool, but I like the yellow better. I also like the black Camaro. The Indy cars are pretty much the same car, and the Chevy Camaro funny cars are just, you know, they have a different theme, different color. And again, guys, the only thing that kills it about this is the fact that they have plastic wheels. And other than that, guys, that is pretty much it. So let's move on to the next store, see if we have better luck. What's up, guys? Doing a little late hunt. You know, I didn't have time to do anything this morning. I was so busy, but check this out, guys. 1986 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock. This one is really cool. It's got lots of detail. Taking that one. Here's the Hot Wheels High School Bus. Not my thing. Same stuff as last time. So let's see. High and dry as last time. Stores have been hit and miss. So let's see here. This is pretty cool. And we have this cool 2016 Chevy Camaro with the Edelrock livery. I already picked up 2 of these, man. One to keep carded, the other one to keep open. Very nice. And here's the Focus Factor. This is the regular one. There is a chase version, which I found about a month and a half ago. See? Here it is. Look for the Focus Factor chase piece. So this one is pretty simple as far as the paint is concerned. The chase version has a Spectre Flame looking paint on it. Kind of stands out pretty cool. I believe I showed it to you guys before, so let's see what else they have. I have this cool Porsche Taycan Turbo S in white. Bag warmers. Saw this last time. Lot of guys. Let's see here. Take a look at this, guys. New wave of the Jada Toys pink slips. So here's the Jaguar F-Type R. Not a bad looking car. Let's see what else. The Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Ooh, this one's cool, man. This one is really nice. Mercedes AMG GT. Chingon, man. I'm taking this one. Chingon, by the way, guys, means badass. And here's this awesome Nissan GTR. Definitely gonna take this one. Not very fond about the wheels, but you know, I could fix that. Ooh. Look at this, guys. The Bugatti Chiron 4 Sport. Now this is a beauty, man. Look at this, guys. This is a beauty, man. So I'm gonna pass on the Jag, and I'm gonna pass on the Porsche Taycan Turbo, and I'm gonna take Nissan GTR, of course, the Mercedes AMG GT, and the Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport. And that is all I have, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys take care. God bless. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.